Have you ever wondered how people turn their money into more money while they sleep? The secret is the stock market. Don't worry, in just 5 minutes, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible, so even if you've never invested before, you'll finally get it. What is the stock market? Think of the stock market like a giant marketplace, but instead of buying fruit or clothes, you're buying little pieces of companies. These little pieces are called stocks or shares. When you own a share, you actually own a slice of that company. How does it work? When a company does well, its value goes up, and so does the price of its stock. If you sell at a higher price than what you bought, you make a profit. Simple. Buy low, sell high. But remember, it can go both ways. If the company struggles, the stock can drop. Why do companies sell stocks? Here's the real question. Why do companies give away pieces of themselves? Simple. They need money to grow. When you buy their stock, they use your money to expand, hire, or build new products. In return, you get a chance to share in their success. Risk versus reward. The stock market can make you rich, but it's not without risk. Prices move daily based on news, economy, and even global events. That's why smart investors focus on the long term. Historically, the stock market has always gone up over time, even after crashes. Different ways to invest. You don't have to buy individual company stocks. Many beginners start with ETFs or index funds, which are basically baskets of many stocks. This spreads your risk, like not putting all your eggs in one basket. How do you start? Getting started today is easier than ever. With apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or eToro, you can open an account in minutes and start with as little as $50 or $100. The earlier you start, the more your money grows over time thanks to compound interest. Here's the try. The stock market isn't just for the rich. It's the greatest wealth-building tool in history, and it's available to anyone with internet and a few dollars. Start small, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If this crash course helped you finally understand the stock market, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and comment below. Would you start with individual stocks or index funds?